To solve this data sufficiency question, we'll consider each statement separately first and then together if needed. Let's start with statement 1. So considering statement 1, we'll work out our information over here. And statement 1, it's given that y is equal to 3 times 78 as we interpret our statement based off of our table. So even though we're given y equals to this value, and we can calculate that, we're not given any information about x or any information to help us find out the value of x. So this statement alone is not sufficient. We just don't have enough information to find the value of x, which is what we're looking for. So if statement 1 is not sufficient, we can eliminate answer choice A and D. That leaves us with choice B, C, or E, so let's go ahead and move on to consider statement 2. From this given statement, we can obtain the equation x equals 4y. Now, since we don't know the value of y, we don't have enough information to calculate the value of x. So this statement alone is also not sufficient. And if statement 2 is not sufficient, we can eliminate answer choice B. That leaves us with C or E. Now, to choose between the two, we're going to have to consider the case where we have statement 1 and 2 together. So let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit so that we have some space, and we'll take a look at the combined statements down here. So combining statement 1 and 2 together, we know the value of y, and we know that x is equal to 4y. So we actually have x equals 4 times 3 times 78. And we could multiply this out if we wanted to find a numeric value, but we know that we can find the value of x, and that's what's important here. So we would be able to actually find a value for x. That means that together these statements are sufficient. So if we take a look at our answer choices, we can eliminate answer choice E, and the final answer choice would be answer choice C, because both statements together are sufficient, but neither statement alone is sufficient.